Something told me it was over. When I saw you and her talking, something deep down in my soul said, cry boy. When I saw you and the boy walking around, ooh, I would rather go blind boy than to see you walk away from me, child. Ooh, so you see, I love you so much that I don't wanna watch you leave me, baby. Most of all, I just wanna be free. Ooh, I was just here thinking of your kiss and your warm embrace. The reflection in the glass that I held to my lips now, baby, reveal the tears that was on my face. No, and baby, I'd rather be blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me now. Ooh, baby, oh baby, I'd rather be blind now. Oh baby, than to see you